Great.
If you do any hot holding, which is keeping food hot for a long period of time, it needs to be above 60 degrees Celsius. So this is like if there's soup or gravy in a crock pot, or if you're keeping food on a buffet for a long period of time. Just make sure it's never between 4 and 60. Try everything you can do to keep foods in the fridge or hot, one or the other. Hot food's hot and cold food's cold, never in the middle. So if you do have soup that's in service and it's out for 3 hours, it needs to be hotter than 60. And you measure that with this probe thermometer. Okay. This unit here, I think, is a steam table, which is meant to keep foods hot. There's trays that sit in here and it keeps the food warm. We would recommend that you warm the food up on the stove to the 74 degrees on that sign there, the reheating temperature, and then put it in here, and then keep it above 60, and adjust it warmer if it's not. If foods are sitting at 50 or 55 degrees, bacteria can grow and then make people very sick that eat that food, even if the food has been cooked, because some bacteria survive the cooking process and then grow when the temperature cools a little bit, and they can make a toxin that makes people sick. So monitor your hot held foods carefully if you're doing that.
Okay.
Okay? We can test this as well. You might need batteries.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, turned on. We'll give that a few minutes to see if it's accurate. But this is a simple method you can use to calibrate your thermometers. I don't know if you can adjust this one, but at least you'll know if it's out by a lot. So it's still falling because it's the probe itself is still cooling down. It's easier to see this way maybe. So this is saying about 1.4, 1.3. So this is a fairly accurate thermometer. It's only out by a degree or two, so that's quite close to the real thing. As they age, they get a little less accurate, but this is still pretty close. So I think it's safe to use that.